Right now, I'm going to show you how you can save files faster in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Sometime in the past couple of decades, Microsoft did away with the old dialog box for saving files in its productivity apps. Remember this one? Instead, they introduced Backstage. It's over here in the File tab. Now, don't get me wrong, I like Backstage and I like how it gives me more space to play when I look for templates or I want to print, share, or export a file. But there's one thing that really bugs me about Backstage, and that's when I want to save a file. If I hit Control S right now, you'll see this little mini Backstage box pop up. If you tend to keep all of your documents in just a couple of folders, this save window here is perfectly fine. See, it goes to your default location, and in my case that's OneDrive, and then it also gives you a drop-down menu with the latest few folders that you've used. So if you only work with, say, 6 folders, then that's perfect. If you're like me and your digital life is a bit more complicated, then you probably organize your digital stuff into lots of different folders, so you'll understand why I really don't like this Backstage way of saving files. If I wanted to save this file into a particular folder in my OneDrive, I'll probably first click the location menu and expand the list to see if I can find that folder there. And no, it's not there. Now I'll click on more locations. That's the same list of recent folders, so finally, I have to go full circle and click on my OneDrive here. That's 3 clicks before I can even start browsing through my folders to find where I actually want to save my file. But surely there has to be a better way, right? And yes, there is. We just have to do a bit of a back to the future maneuver. There's actually a setting to disable Backstage when you're saving files. This will bring back the old Windows file saving dialog and saves you 3 clicks and a few seconds of your life every time you need to save a new Office file. Here's how to disable Backstage. First off, you only need to do this once in either PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. I'm in Word currently, so I'll do it here. First, I'll hit the File tab, and yes, that takes us right into Backstage. Then we go down to the bottom left corner and click Options. And in the left menu here, go to the Save tab. And right over here, you'll see an option to not show Backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Tick that box and hit OK, and now no more Backstage for saving files. Next time you hit Control S or the little Save button up here, you'll go straight into the old Save File dialog. So there you go, 3 clicks and a few seconds saved.